Best solar for security cameras. Are you tired of constantly swapping out batteries or running long cables just to keep your home safe? Today, I am diving into the top wireless solutions that run on pure sunlight. Let us find the perfect solar setup to protect your property without the hassle. Product number 1. eufy Security SoloCam S220 Solar Security Camera. Wireless security camera outdoor, 2K resolution, continuous power, built-in 8 GB, no subscription, Homebase 3 compatible for outdoor surveillance. When setting up a solid defense system for your property, having a reliable power source is completely essential. I have found the eufy SoloCam S220 to be an absolute game changer for continuous surveillance without the dreaded battery anxiety. What really stands out to me is how efficiently the integrated solar panel trickle charges the unit. Just 3 hours of direct sunlight daily keeps this camera running endlessly. You get an incredibly sharp 2K resolution, which makes pulling license plates or identifying faces from your driveway incredibly easy. Another huge factor for me is the built-in 8 GB of local storage. Product number 2. AOSU Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless. 4-cam kit, no subscription required, solar-powered home security camera system with 360-degree pan and tilt, auto-tracking, 2K color night vision, easy setup. If you have a larger property and need comprehensive coverage straight out of the box, this 4-camera kit from AOSU is exactly what I would recommend looking into. Setting up a perimeter defense used to require professional installation and drilling through walls, but this completely wireless solar-powered system changes everything. I love the 360-degree pan and tilt functionality on these units. Instead of being stuck with a fixed viewing angle, I can easily swipe around on my phone to check the entire yard. The auto-tracking feature is particularly impressive because it actively follows any movement it detects, ensuring a subject never simply walks out of the frame. Product number 3. SEHMUA 2K Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 2-pack 360-degree view pan tilt Wi-Fi security camera outside with color night vision, easy to install, PIR alarm, 2-way audio. Sometimes a single camera is not enough, but a massive kit feels like overkill, which is exactly where this SEHMUA 2-pack hits the sweet spot for everyday surveillance. I am thoroughly impressed by how quickly these can be mounted to cover both the front door and the backyard simultaneously. The built-in PIR motion sensor is highly accurate, significantly cutting down on annoying false alarms caused by rustling leaves or passing shadows. Whenever someone does step onto my property, the immediate push notification allows me to utilize the 2-way audio. Product number 4. AOSU Solar Camera Security Outdoor 100% wireless security cameras wireless outdoor for home surveillance with fixed solar panel, 360-degree panoramic view, human auto tracking, 2K color night vision. For those who want focused, highly intelligent tracking without constant manual adjustments, this single AOSU solar camera delivers premium performance. I really appreciate the design of the fixed solar panel on this model, as it maximizes sun exposure while maintaining a very sleek profile against the outside of the house. What sets this unit apart for me is the advanced human auto tracking capability. Once the artificial intelligence identifies a person, the camera physically rotates to keep them dead center in the ultra-clear 2K video feed. This means I never have to worry about someone slipping past the edge of the frame before I can get a good look at them. Product number 5. Cinnado Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor Home Security Cameras Solar and Battery Powered with 2K Color Night Vision, 2-way talk and spotlight, continuous power, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, easy setup, S1 4-pack. Wrapping up my top selections is the Cinnado S1 4-pack, which brings a highly aggressive layer of active deterrence to your home security strategy. What instantly caught my attention with these cameras is the integrated spotlight feature. The moment the advanced PIR sensor detects genuine human movement, it triggers a bright spotlight and a loud siren to instantly scare off any potential intruders before they even get close to the house. I also appreciate the incredibly sharp 2K resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured flawlessly, whether it is a bright afternoon or the middle of the night. That wraps up my top picks for keeping your property secure using the power of the sun. Check the links provided to grab yours today and instantly upgrade your home defense. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next review.